There is a version of Volkswagen ownership that costs a fortune in dealer bills, and there is another version of the same car, same miles, and same roads that costs significantly less, runs better, and avoids constant expensive repairs. The difference is not luck or the dealership you chose. It is knowledge-specific, practical information about how these cars actually work, what they need, and which fixes you can handle affordably. But dealership maintenance can be expensive due to German engineering paired with high labor rates. Many owners overpay simply because they lack the insights from independent technicians, enthusiasts, and the VW community built over decades. None of this cuts corners on safety. It empowers you as an informed VW owner. Secret 1. The DSG transmission fluid change they say isn't necessary. Volkswagen's DSG dual-clutch gearbox is sophisticated, fast, and efficient when properly maintained. For years, VW claimed the fluid was a lifetime fill or needed service only at very long intervals. This stance led many owners to face $4,000 to $8,000 transmission repairs. Experienced independent technicians recommend fluid and filter changes around 40,000 miles for real-world driving, especially for the 6-speed DQ250 wet clutch and 7-speed DQ200 dry clutch units in Golf and Jetta models. A DSG service at an independent shop costs $250 to $400. In contrast, a mechatronic unit replacement can exceed $1,500, $3,000 for parts alone. Regular changes make strong financial sense, and every owner should know dealerships rarely volunteer this info up front. Secret 2. Carbon buildup on intake valve silently strangling your engine. If you own a turbocharged direct injection VW, carbon buildup is likely reducing power, hurting fuel economy, and causing rough running. Direct injection sprays fuel into the combustion chamber, improving efficiency but skipping the valve cleaning effect of port injection. Blow-by gases carrying oil vapor bake onto hot intake valves, forming thick deposits by 60,000, 80,000 miles. This restricts airflow, leading to rough cold starts, hesitation, lumpy idle, and power loss. Dealership intake cleaning runs $400, $700. A thorough walnut shell blasting by an independent VW specialist often does a better job for less and restores near new performance. Installing a quality catch can for under $150 reduces future oil vapor and buildup. Dealers rarely suggest this preventive mod. Secret 3. PCV system failure misdiagnosed as expensive problems. The positive crankcase ventilation PCV system on early 2.0 TSI engines fails in ways that mimic serious issues, leading to inflated repair bills. A failed PCV valve or integrated oil separator in the valve cover creates a vacuum leak with unmetered air entering the intake. Symptoms include worsening warm rough idle, multiple misfires, poor economy, and oily intake residue. OBD codes for lean fuel trims, misfires, or MAF faults can point shops toward costly MAF sensors. An experienced technician checks the PCV first. Replacing the valve cover with integrated PCV costs $200, $400 at an independent shop. General shops without model-specific knowledge may chase wrong parts and triple the bill. If your 2.0 TSI shows lean codes and misfires, start with the PCV conversation. Secret 4. Software updates are free and fix more than expected. VW releases ongoing software updates for the engine control unit, transmission module, and other systems. Dealers do not always notify owners proactively. A hesitant cold start, erratic idle, or finicky transmission might have a documented free fix. Resources like Rostech Wiki and VW Vortex forums detail which updates resolve specific issues. Spend 30 minutes researching before paying for diagnostics. This simple step can save hundreds and reduce stress on many complaints. Secret 5. The timing chain issue on early 2.0 TSI engines. The EA888 Gen 1 and Gen 2.2. Zero TSI engines, roughly 2008-2015, in many VW and Audi models have a timing chain tensioner prone to issues, especially with long oil intervals or low oil levels. The rear-mounted chain against the firewall makes repairs more labor-intensive and costly. A failing tensioner causes a brief diesel-like rattle on cold starts that quiets as oil pressure builds. Ignoring it risks chain stretch or jump, leading to valve damage and turning a $600, $1,000 tensioner/chain job into a $3,000, $5,000 rebuild. Gen 3 EA888 engines from around 2015 have improved designs and better reliability. For earlier models, act quickly on the rattle with a revised tensioner, updated guides, and fresh oil from a knowledgeable shop. Listen for the warning your engine will tell you. Secret 6. The coolant flush that protects your water pump and more. VW rates G13 or G12++ coolant for extended intervals, but real-world conditions degrade it faster. Old coolant loses corrosion inhibitors, becoming acidic and attacking plastic components like coolant flanges and thermostat housings on 1.8 and 2.0 TSI engines. These parts develop micro cracks over time, leading to sudden leaks when hot. A simple coolant flush and refill at an independent shop costs $100, $150, while a water pump job, often timing belt relief, can hit $700, $1,200. Flushing is one of the cheapest preventive steps with high returns. Check your coolant's condition and service history soon. It quietly prevents expensive failures across the VW lineup. Secret 7. Independent VW specialists change everything. Beyond dealerships and general mechanics lies a network of independent VW and European specialists. These shops employ techs dedicated to VAG Group vehicles with deep model knowledge and access to the same capabilities as dealers, often at 30–50% lower labor rates. They understand specific TSBs, DSG behaviors, module coding, and failure patterns. They source quality parts efficiently and prioritize honest advice for repeat business. Find them via VCD's forums, VW Vortex, or local enthusiast groups. A strong relationship with one specialist is more valuable than extended warranties. It makes all other secrets practical and turns ownership into a positive experience. Volkswagen cars are well engineered when maintained with awareness. The real issue is the information gap between what your car needs and what some service providers recommend. Stay ahead on DSG services, carbon cleanup, PCV checks, free software updates, timing chain vigilance, coolant health, and specialist support. These steps require no advanced skills, just knowledge. You now have it. Ask the right questions, verify answers, and enjoy your VW confidently. Drive informed and make ownership rewarding rather than stressful. In closing, these 7 secrets represent more than just money-saving tips. They form a complete mindset shift for anyone who owns or is thinking about owning a Volkswagen. By mastering the realities of DSG fluid changes, fighting carbon buildup before it robs your engine of performance, catching PCV failures early, claiming free software updates, listening for timing chain warnings, staying on top of coolant condition, and building a relationship with a knowledgeable independent specialist, you transform from a reactive owner into a confident caretaker of a genuinely rewarding machine. The beauty of modern Volkswagens lies in their engineering excellence, the precise handling, comfortable interiors, advanced safety features, and that unmistakable European driving character make models like the Golf, Jetta, Tiguan, and Atlas stand out in their segments. Yet that same sophistication can feel intimidating when warning lights appear or unusual noises start. It equips you with the exact knowledge that experienced technicians and longtime enthusiasts use every day to keep their cars running strong for hundreds of thousands of miles while spending far less at the service bay. Think about the long-term impact. Regular DSG services at 40,000 miles can easily prevent a $5,000 transmission failure. A $150 catch can and periodic walnut blasting keep your turbo engine breathing freely and responsive for years. Addressing a PCV issue for a few $100s instead of chasing phantom sensor or injector problems saves both time and frustration. Free TSB-driven software updates often resolve complaints that owners have tolerated for months. Catching timing chain rattle early avoids catastrophic engine damage. Fresh coolant protects plastic components worth hundreds or thousands in repairs. And a trusted independent VW specialist becomes your most valuable asset, someone who knows your specific engine code, transmission variant, and common quirks better than any generalist shop ever could. If you found value here, share this video with a fellow VW owner or anyone considering buying one. Together, we can spread practical knowledge and make Volkswagen ownership what it should be: reliable, affordable, and genuinely fun. Drive safe, stay informed, and enjoy every mile in your Volkswagen. See you in the next one.